In this video, I'm going to walk you through all the new features and changes in the Super 3.1 update. The biggest change in the 3.1 release is a major technical upgrade. We upgraded our tech infrastructure to allow super sites to utilize the powerful features available on the new Next.js app router update. This update introduced new coding paradigms, and migrating was a big task for our developers. But not only has this given our sites an incredible performance bump, it allows us to create features which were not previously possible. During this migration, our developers took the time to refactor a lot of code, reducing the amount of unnecessary HTML by about 30% on most super sites. Now let's go through some of the new features, starting with improved navigation. We have completely overhauled the way that you add and manage links to your site's navigation menus, starting with the new navigation page in the Super dashboard. Before, we had two separate pages for navbar and footer, but now they are combined into one. From here, we can access individual menu settings as well as manage our entire site's navigation links all in one place. Inside the navigation items page, we now have the ability to create links once and choose which menus they appear on throughout our entire site using the new item visibility toggle option. Similarly, you can now manage your menu logos in one place, and we've added the ability to choose different logos for different menus. Not only that, but you can now add a dark mode logo to your site so it automatically changes depending on the color mode. You may have already noticed, but we're also excited to introduce a whole new menu type, the sidebar. This awesome new menu can be used alongside the navbar and footer or on its own. It's compatible with drop-down menus and has its own call to action section at the bottom. We've also added improvements to the footer, so now you can add navigation lists there too. Next, we took the time to improve the mobile menu, giving it a new full screen look and making sure it's compatible with the new sidebar. Next up, let's take a look at the new page management features. We added the ability to select multiple pages and perform actions, include being able to move, set a password, and remove more than one page at a time. We've also added the new refresh button. This button will automatically check for any new pages and then update the page list. To make managing subpages easier, we've added a new view inside each page that lets you see and manage all of that page's subpages. Next, we're also super happy to share that you can now upload files to your super site. We're starting with text files, which can be uploaded to the root and well-known directories. This is useful for ads.txt and other verification files. Soon we'll be adding support for custom fonts as well. We're already putting the finishing touches on the next update and can't wait for you to see what we're working on next. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing what you create with these new features.